What's up, my fellow tubues? Today I'm going to be showing you how to vinyl wrap your C5 Corvette mirrors. As you can see here, I wrapped mine in carbon fiber, but didn't turn out as good as I wanted it. Give you a close-up here. It's hard to pick up on the camera, but you can see where I stretched it. There's a stretch line there. Also, if you follow these lines here, you can see I stretched it a little bit too much on this side. So I'm going to be redoing this. I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and hopefully the second time around it comes out better. You can actually see it, that big stretch line right there. I'm hoping the second time around I don't stretch it as much, but you don't know until you try. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get to it. So first, before we start, we'll spray it with some 70% isopropyl alcohol. We're gonna get rid of all the fingerprints and hopefully no glue residue left behind. I'm just gonna clean off this mirror nice. If you are doing this, make sure you clean inside the edges of the mirror so that vinyl sticks to it. And then now I'm gonna show you guys where to use the knifeless tape. I am using knifeless tape here. I'm gonna do this in 2 pieces. I'll show you guys in a second on where I'm going to be putting the knifeless tape. So I put the knifeless tape right at the bottom here, just following this hard line of the mirror, just underneath, going around and out. And then I put the second knifeless tape on this hard line here. So it would only be visible to me and not to anyone else unless they're actually really looking for it. I'm not sure if it's possible to vinyl wrap this mirror in one shot. I'm inexperienced, so I'm gonna do it in 2 pieces and hopefully it comes out good. Stay tuned. so the mirror is somewhat done. This side came out beautiful. I'm really happy with that. Nicely tucked in. I'm still gonna wrap this in carbon as well, but I might be redoing this because I have these weird little bumps here on the edge. I don't know why I cut the film too short. If I left the longer film, I'm pretty sure I could have stretched it more and made this so much cleaner. So looks like I'm gonna be taking this off and wrapping it again for the third time. I mean, I have a bunch of carbon fiber vinyl, so I might as well just do it again. I'm just really happy that this front face can turn out nice. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe. I post every Tuesday, Friday, 7:30 Eastern time, and I hope to see you guys on the next video.